better wash the weapon. It's been a while. This old girl needs a bit of love. Look, we've got some fucking cobwebs here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, let's get rid of that. Oh yeah. Oh yes, look at that. Nice and shiny now.
Yeah. Sometimes I wonder, like, why are we here? And I think that maybe I've got a purpose in life, but no one's told me what it is yet. I don't have any regrets in life. I don't know, maybe I do, but I just can't remember them. I like it when I get a $2 coin, cause it's my favourite coin. Cause it's a gold one, and it feels really important even though it's small. I really like $2 coin. I don't really listen to music. I like to listen to the sounds of nature. You know, like the cars going by and the trees being chopped down. But sometimes the birds can be a little bit too loud in the morning. When the birds are loud, I usually get a piece of bread and put some Panadol in it and feed it to them, because Darren told me it makes the birds more quiet and not so loud in the morning. Me mate Grubby from Fairy Meadow always tells me that in life you gotta put one foot in front of the other. But I don't know, I think he's talking shit because he doesn't have any legs. I think that there's too many people in the world these days. Sometimes I just want to kill all people in the world. Just fucking kill them all. But I don't know, maybe that's not a very nice thing to do. I don't know where my kids are. Has anyone seen me kids? I don't know where me kids went. What's going on?
Damo, who the fuck are you talking to?
No one. Just thinking out loud.